Lights, camera, action! Welcome to the future of storytelling, where artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the film and media industry. From breathtaking visual effects to dynamic character creation, AI is the new superstar behind the scenes. Let's dive into how technology is enhancing storytelling in ways we've never imagined. AI has transformed visual effects in the film industry. We can now create hyper-realistic CGI faster and more efficiently. AI algorithms help us simulate natural phenomena like water, fire, and even entire landscapes, making scenes more immersive than ever. From the grandiose battles in superhero movies to the serene beauty of alien worlds, AI is the magic wand that brings imagination to life. But it's not just about the visuals. AI is also revolutionizing performance capture. With advanced motion capture technology, actors' movements are recorded and enhanced in real time, creating seamless and lifelike animations. AI helps refine the captured data, reducing the need for manual adjustments. It ensures that every nuance of an actor's performance is preserved, from the subtlest facial expressions to the most dynamic action sequences. And AI doesn't stop at visuals. It's also making waves in script writing. With AI-powered tools, writers can generate ideas, develop plots, and even write entire scenes. It's like having a collaborative partner that never runs out of creativity. AI tools can suggest plot twists, character developments, and dialogue options based on vast databases of existing stories. It's an incredible resource for overcoming writer's block and exploring new narrative possibilities. Let's not forget about immersive experiences. AI is at the heart of VR and AR, creating interactive environments where viewers can step into the story and become part of the narrative. With AI, we can design intelligent virtual characters that respond to players' actions, creating personalized and engaging experiences. It's a whole new way of storytelling where the audience is no longer just a spectator. So whether it's enhancing visual effects, capturing authentic performances, aiding in script writing, or creating immersive experiences, AI is transforming the way we tell stories. The future of film and media is here, and it's more exciting than ever. Hey, still here? For those who stuck around, here's a fun fact. Did you know AI was used to de-age actors in movies like The Irishman? Just another example of how technology is making movie magic even more magical. See you next time.